Alright, I'm here with Nathan. And we got, and also Co's and the buddies. We're gonna go take this elevator down. This is at Target in Times Square. And my bag fell down. It's a monitor TR 1500. Hopefully this one works.
Yeah. And here's James.
Hello. Yeah, we like elevators, so at least I do. He just documents them whenever he gets the chance. Might do a round trip on this. Is this one? Oh no, it's working. No chime. Oh, oh boy. Is there a panel on our side? Oh, there's not. Okay. Oh, whoa, these buttons feel weird. I've never seen this version. It's like convex button.
Oh, that's really cool. Oh,
What?
I pressed the
Okay,
wrong
what?
button. Oh.
Oh wait, someone's going down.
Okay.
Oh, shit. You want to go up?
No.
There is no.
Overload light. That's interesting.
Lower level.
Alright, there you go. You wanna go back up?
I think we'll just get here and then we'll go back up. And
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope it has a good motor. Alright.
I hope so.
There's one here. No. I'm picking right. Yeah. Okay, let's hope this has a good motor.
I hope so.
Yeah, we got. Oh, it's an automatic controller. That's interesting.
That's cool.
Oh, this one has a fan. Okay, let's see if this has a good motor. Nah. Yeah, that's interesting. TR 1500 Convex. It's interesting buttons. There it goes. And that's it.
So I can see the
I'm also gonna get my thumbnail shot. And that's it.